What's hood? PM gang, man. Just got in the crib. Well, actually, I've been in the crib for a minute. Went to go get some breakfast, but I gotta go pick my sister up from the airport. It's about an hour away, so I want to make sure I get into the room, record this video, and get it ready to get edited. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock this out the way and go pick up my sister, man. It's Sunday. This party be out Monday, so package right here. Let's get to it. What's hood? Everybody on YouTube, man. It's your boy PM Kicks, man. I am back with another unboxing for y'all today. And before we get into the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you like the content. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video. Still review, unboxing, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And honestly, I'm in a rush, so I can't really talk your ears off. I don't like to do that anyway, so let me get straight into the unboxing. This is it. My address is like all over this motherfucker, so I ain't gonna put this shit up on the counter because it's literally everywhere. They wanted to make sure this got to me. Damn, they wrapped this motherfucker up, didn't they? And I got these on a restock. My first pair. Oh man. Wow. First pair. Human Races, NMD. There go that. Nothing really. Box is pretty plain though. And these are the Solar Human Race NMD. That's all they say. Ain't no colorway. They're a box. So glad these restock. Got these for retail. It was a little over retail. With all the shit. Lean, Plow, bird on the shoes, man. Regular Adidas wrapping paper, nothing special. Throw this box out the way. Come with spare laces. As you can see, we got a tag. Tag right there. And yeah, man, let's get into the shoe. Oh, these is nice. So these are the, as you can see, Inspire and Empower Solar Human Races. Let me give you the full 360. I'll do the empowerment one. Give you the full 360. Yeah, man. This is the shoe. These are actually real dope. You know what's messed up though? I knew these was not gonna do that good because of where they was based from. I'm just saying. But the hype on these are like the hype on Human Races is actually dying down. We're gonna start with the toe box area because it's all like one big knit shoe. So you have the black, gray, and white. The black, gray, and white, yellow. And this is like the message that came on all of these was dope. Like minus the shoe and you know the hype or non-hype around the shoe, the message is the dope part about Pharrell shoes. Side panels or side knitting, I guess. I don't know. And the yellow pattern actually sticks out more on the shoe. It's not all like one like smooth knitting. The yellow on the knitting pops out, so you can actually feel it. Like all of this right here, just all blends together. The gray and the white just blends together. It's real flat together, but the yellow bulges out more, where you can feel like the texture on the yellow, which is dope. Empower has a 3 for the ease. Now I don't know exactly what that means, or they just want to spell it differently. So I didn't do like a real good research on the shoe. And you can kind of see that 3M pop a little bit. Adidas on this one. Pharrell Williams on this one. Adidas on this one. The back is 3M. And around the sock liner area of the shoe, these are like African pride colors going around. This is like an Afro-American pack. Sizing is in the inside of the shoe. I don't know if you can see that because it's really not focusing on the size. There you go. And I really want to take this insole out because it says I think in the inside, let me see, I'm really trying to take this out. This is like, what the hell is this part of the shoe? Because you cannot take this out. It gotta be. But on the inside, it shows you like all those little bullet points. You got Pharrell and Adidas right there. But all those little bullet points right there, like the circular oval areas you see on the shoe. That's like, as you know, they say like your feet, the bottom of your feet is like key points to like your whole entire body. So the back, it says bladder, kidney, stomach is at the front, thyroid, heart, like showing you like the points of your feet as you walking. So that's real dope. The top of the toes are eyes, ears. That's real dope. I wish I could take the insole out on the shoe to show you all, but this is like glue tight for real. And the midsole of the shoe, you have these rubber little pods that goes with the cage area right here. The Boost midsole going all the way around. Have one cage area, one little rubber support system for the cage area on this side. The outsole all red, but it's not like the normal NMDs that I've seen, because this is my first NMD, but it has like these little spikes on it for like traction or something. I'm not sure, but like it's like almost like a hiking shoe almost. You have Adidas right there, small lettering. You see like little points where you can see the Boost in the shoe on the outsole. In my honest opinion about these shoes dope as hell. Like, I'm not a hype beast. I'm not into all the hype. I always wanted a pair of Human Races, but as soon as they drop, they just skyrocket up. So I'm like, yep, maybe eventually one of these days. But you know, luckily I got a chance to get me a pair. I don't know what this shit is even focusing on, bro. Focus on me, thank you. But I don't even know, like, the hype on NMD. I don't know where the hype dropped like tremendously. Like, now the stuff is going for like retail as soon as it drops, which is cool. You know, it makes it easier for people to get the shoe. which is great, you know, like, cause like back in like when I was coming up in high school, people were dying, like literally getting gunned down for shoes that they couldn't get or they couldn't afford. You know, so luckily, you know, everybody being able to get the shoe and get what they want. You know, a lot of stuff is like, you know, you gotta appreciate certain stuff like that, you know, and then you got grails and stuff that should be hard to get, and then you got regular stuff that people should be able to get and obtain. So, you know, dope shoe, dope messages always. They always have a dope message on human races. And that's why I really like Pharrell and what he does with the shoe and like how he go about putting out shoes. But yeah, man, that's it for the video. Finna go ahead put my Royal 13s on to go with the fit and go ahead go pick up my sister. And don't forget, like the like the video, hit that like button. If you like the content, share the video, friends, family, gang members, hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, whatever I do, and subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. We out this jam.